my name is Maisha, and I am the owner of Plentiful Hair Studio. And Plentiful Hair Studio is a non-surgical hair replacement studio. I am a certified hair loss practitioner who specializes in non-surgical hair replacement. As far as the services we offer hair extensions, we offer bonded pieces, toppers, prosthetics, and wigs. We also offer hair restoration services, which would include laser therapy. We do supplements, we do drops, we do different things as far as hair restoration is concerned, and we also retail wigs. As far as determining what type of wig would be best for you, we would ask a few pre-qualifying questions to determine what type of lifestyle you have and how often you wear your wigs. As far as customization, my wigs on my website are not customized until purchased, and we customize them after you meeting your wig via Skype or FaceTime. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but that is an option that I prefer. That way you can have what you want and you can be happy with your piece in the long run. The parts of my wigs that are not customized are the hairlines. I do not just go in and pluck. Sometimes we need to add hair. Sometimes we just need to add a little baby hair. Sometimes that's the best thing for it. And especially with my luxury lace tops, I don't pluck them. I would rather us create a new hairline opposed to going in and plucking them, because people that wear luxury lace tops really are looking to have a good piece that lasts them years. And me going in and plucking the wig will definitely disrupt the integrity of the piece. So a lot of my luxury hair pieces and some of the John Renault pieces in traditional non-surgical hair replacement, non-surgical hair replacement is literally designer hair. It's made from the beginning for you. Of course, that's in studio, but you can get pre-custom pieces. I call the wigs on my website pre-custom pieces because a lot of them have all the attributes that you're looking for in a hair piece, but they can just be tweaked a little bit further to be your dream hair piece. And that's why I have them incomplete online. Plentiful Hair Studio is a multicultural hair replacement studio where I do wigs for all women, all ethnicities, all hair textures. I do wigs for everybody. So a lot of the wigs on my site can be worn by different ethnicities. Now, with the purchase of a wig, some people would do things different than others. Now, some might get a wig and they really want the hairline to look natural, so they'll go in and they'll thin the hairline out really, really good so it look natural. But that does disrupt the integrity of the wig. Now, some people will not really do too much to the hairline. They might go in the part a little bit, and it depends. And the reason that I do not customize it is because, number one, I prefer to add hair to the hairline to customize it versus taking it away. And number two, different people like different things. I would rather have an idea of what you want during a consultation. That way we won't have any situations. I would hate to I would hate for a person to see something that they really like, but they can't have it because of something that small. A lot of times people will schedule a video consultation with me before they purchase a wig online so they can see the wig, and we could discuss the possibilities of the wig and tell you how much you can tweak it and change it and make it yours. Me coming from hair extensions, and I've done every form: tape-ins, fusion, microlinks, sew-ins. I know how important the customization part is, and it's very important to me. So that's why I want it to be as personable and personal to you. That way you will enjoy your piece. In general, my clients that are seeking to wear hair pieces, they're looking for a piece that lasts them for a good amount of time. And that's the nature of my business. My business is centered around people who are experiencing hair loss or thinning. Clients come into the salon and get $2,000 hair extensions, and it's a luxury item. They're not ashamed at all. But somebody will come in and get a $2,000 wig, and there's a lot of shame and such a stigma attached. They're making it so much better and easier for people who are experiencing hair loss to be out and proud about it, because it's more people experiencing hair loss than people want you to believe. And there's so many options for you. You can do so many things to help yourself feel better, and it's nothing wrong with feeling like this is going to make you feel better. And then there's so many options for you. You know, a lot of people are turned off to getting more hair, or seeking more hair, or getting hair, non-surgical hair replacement, or getting surgical hair replacement because of the cost. And that is a real thing. That's the big thing on what's best for you. The best thing you can do is sit down and talk, or even have a conversation. And if you want to talk to me or call me or email me and ask me a question, feel free. I would love to help answer any questions you might have or anything like that. I know this is what I'm supposed to do. I know it. Also at my studio, we do accept medical insurance for those who qualify. We offer payment plans. There are different options. So just call or go to my website and see if there's something we could do. Or, if you're in a different area, I can see if I can help find somebody in your area who might be able to help you. There's so many different places and people you can get beautiful hair pieces from. And this is just one phone call away, and don't be ashamed that you want this. It's nothing wrong with wanting this. It's nothing wrong with wanting to try to make yourself feel more confident. And if there's any way I can help you with that, I would love to.